Hi friends, I am Dr. Shivshankar Mitkari, Department of Physics, Sri Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya, Madargaon. Friends, today I teach to you the B.Sc. third year Physics, in which the 5th semester I have taken today. That is, the name of the paper is Electro Dynamics. In that Electro Dynamics, today I have taken the first topic, that is the Electrostatics. Students, first of all, you remember, all of you learn this electrostatics in 12th standard. Also, all of you also learn in 8th, 9th and 10th. Anywhere, you have to learn this one. And so also here, today, we also remember this topic and we have insert something. So, what is first of all you understand, what is by electrostatics? Can you tell me what is by the electrostatics? Okay, I explain this one. The electrostatics, electro means the electric and the statics means the stable. It is the a stable, steady. What is this? The steady. It is related to that of the charge. Electrostatics. It is related to that of the electric and it is nothing but the static, and we have to learn here the electrostatics, that is the related to that of the charge. So you know that you learn. I know that you all of you learn in 12th class. There are two types of the charges. One is the positive charge and another is the negative charge. But here we learn related to that of the stable charge, and we have to learn also the properties of that stable charge in this topic. Okay, so you first of all you know that the stable charge initially generally we have to consider it the positive charge, because positive charge always due. So therefore we learn related to the positive charge. Now, how it is generated? You know that when we rub anything, that is we learn in 12th class, when we rub the glass rod to the core, then you know that the charges are developed. One is the positive charge and another is the negative charge. Nothing but this, the same is it. So we consider first of all the charge. It is nothing but a positive charge. Okay, no doubt. Just I told you that positive charge always due. What it do? It generates the electric field surrounding to the object. Just I introduce to you. It generates the electric field surrounding to the object. How it generates the electric field? You know that. Just I give you one example. You know that the sun, it gives the light surrounding to it. It has some intensity. Okay, so just like this here, any positive charge it gives the field and it is generated surrounding to that of the positive charge. Now, in this field also there is some force arises. And this force is called as the electrostatic force. Remember that. This force is called as the electrostatic force because this force is generated due to the stable charge. So therefore, it is called as the electrostatic force. Now, here we have to explain here the first, the electric lines of force. What is this electric lines of force? Remember, consider one positive charge. Okay, it generates the field surrounding to that of the charge, no doubt. Again, here we have to take the other positive charge. Okay. Again, this positive charge generate the positive field. No doubt. Now what happened here? We know that two positive charges, they repel to each other. Okay. So here, whenever these two fields are combined to each other, then they are repelled to each other. They repel to each other. And this repulsion between the two like charges or the attraction between the two unlike charges is nothing but the electrostatic force. All of you know that. Now here, just I explained the electric lines of force. This lines is important. This lines is important. So how it generates? So here we have to consider the two positive charges. Now, suppose here I have taken one positive charge inside the field. Inside the field. This we place the positive charge inside this positive field. Okay, what happened here? Here, there is the repulsion between them. There is the repulsion between them. What happened here? Due to that repulsion, slowly this positive charge moves. Slowly this positive charge in those parts, remember that, in those parts, this positive charge moves slowly. Got it? This positive charge moves slowly. There is a path generated. One path is generated. One path is generated. And so therefore, this path is nothing but a straight line path. So therefore, this path is called as a line. This path is called as a line. And this line is generated due to the repulsion between the two positive charges. There is the some force. And so therefore, this line is called as the electric lines of force. This line is called as the electric lines of force. Friends, you know that, suppose I give one example again. When you have to draw the picture of sun, all of you know that. Okay? When you draw the picture of the sun, can you say this is the sun? No. When I draw the lines like this, then you say that this is the picture of sun. So the same, when I have to draw the positive charge, and from that such lines are emitted, these lines are called as the electric lines of force. Remember, such lines are emitted, these lines are electric lines of force. And you know that how these are generated, because we just I told you that in the previous one. So therefore, whenever such a number of electric lines of forces are generated surrounding to that of the positive charge, again you remember, you know that nearer to that of the charge, there is the crowd of electric lines of forces. There is the crowd. They are very close to each other. You know that? They are very close to each other. And whenever the distance, we are going away from that positive charge, they are spread. Just like the picture of the sun. All of you know that. So therefore, when we consider this one, there is the surrounding is present. There is the surrounding space is present, which will be occupied by this positive charge. And therefore, this surrounding space, which is occupied by that positive charge, due to that electric lines of force, is called as the electric field. Remember that. It is called as the electric field. So therefore, this is nothing but the electric field. This is the electric field. And just all of you know that again. Here, when you have to consider it regarding that of the intensity, just you know that again, the near to that of the positive charge, where the electric lines of forces are very close to each other, no doubt the electric intensity is always large at this point. And when we are going away from that positive charge, no doubt the electric intensity goes on decreases. So can you understand the electric lines of force? Any doubt? Okay. Now we go to the next point, and it is nothing but the electric flux. Electric flux. Okay friends, now we go to the next point, that is the electric flux. So what is this electric flux? This electric flux is generated due to the electric lines of force. How? Okay, see that. Just I told you that electric lines of force. You know that from that positive charge, from that stable positive charge, remember again, from that stable positive charge, the number of electric lines of forces are generated. Number of electric lines of forces are generated, they are emitted from that. Okay. Now, the number of electric lines of forces passing, remember that, passing through any unit area, such a unit area, any consider. You have to consider any unit area. So, number of electric lines of forces passing through that unit area. This process is called as the electric flux. This process is called as the electric flux. That is the number of electric lines of force passing through the unit area is called as the electric flux. This concept was generated by the scientist Faraday in 1820. And then after all, it can be reproduced, it can be again explained by the scientist Coulomb. So friends, with the help of that electric flux, again we have to go towards the next point, that is the electric tube of induction, and so many things. And this is nothing but the related to that of the electric flux. And we have to say that just we have to learn today the 2 points, that is the electric lines of force and electric flux. Any doubt? Thank you.